Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Therefore, it's rather unfortunate we will have to be bringing you this news. It is a very sad news because this personality is Yekan Ghana, the media space. He also contributed his quota. Now, we are having conflicting cause of death as to the Ekuno, but then I'll read an article from a website na trese yeni na ya hwedie na Mr. Mo and there your first time wa subscribe na click in the notification bell so you better send your voice on screen so we understand the latest news be about one sa ebeka intino and no end down screen so sia we understand the latest news be about the news coming through, sad news coming through, and they say Radio Gold Womu CEO, the founder of Radio Gold, Nipakwa, what say a year Radio Gold, or my boss, with free. Yeah. Now, initial reports are yet say with free no. We didn't know the cause of this because not one more I can say omu nim die ekuno until say Ghanaian broadcaster I friend Bridget Otu. Bridget Otu Yobia, she worked as a newscaster with TV3 for several years in Yama. Obe posti article no say papa no COVID-19 coronavirus and ekuno. So what I'll do is say I'll read that article Bridget Otu posti here. And mind you, Bridget Otu is also an NDC fan. Papa Nenso Eyobia were NDC. He has even worked as a former presidential advisor. What you are saying, there's no doubt said the owner of Radio Gold no were NDC. I believe say China Radio Gold no once a Radio Gold Nangasa is a pro NDC radio station. Until the owner is an NDC personality and they actually became a pro NDC radio station. Si Papa Neni Ding at the Kwesi Santi Bafo Bonnie, but a Bafo Bonnie and Encrofo at I friend and a nickname I friend no Bado. A dear Encrofo a die at the friend no the nickname into Oba Bado dia a yana Encrofo bebrina ehun nipakra ye kan ho asem. So I'll just be reading the articles. Now I have graphic in front of me. Graphic in so a reporter. So I'll read the article from graphic and then I'll read the article that was also posted by Bridget Otu as our article no COVID-19. Now this is from graphic. I say the CEO and founder of Accra-based Radio Gold, Santi Bafoboni, has passed on. Mr. Bafoboni, popularly known as Babo, Babo, and Bado, Mr. Mofanchame, nickname Babo. Mr. Santi Boni, Mr. Bafoboni, popularly known as Babo, reportedly died Monday, February 1st, 2020, in Tiendra and Ofrimu. So Radio Gold is one of the pioneer private radio stations in Ghana that started broadcasting in the mid-1990s. In China, he has paid his quota as Osha Ghana media space. Now, also I because Radio Gold is one of the very first radio stations and now they operate in Ghana. Unfortunately, no, say MPP Baso no yet one more license because near say one license expire as far back as 2000 and they failed to renew it. It's Radio Gold actually wasn't operating or they weren't operating as we knew them to be. I think they laid a lot of workers off because of say licenses are buying a free no. It is one of the reasons why and the NDC for Bebrina air calling upon the vetting committee because vetting committee number show somewhere next week. It is one of the reasons why our NDC for now air calling vetting committee for say Mame Esla Owusu any kwansi yamani better than minister because it was under her watch and IJ Radio Gold for license and it had never something like that na entire NC Ghana. NDC saw say it was an attack on pro NDC media houses. What you say, and up till now they still don't have their license back. So it's quite sad. Say senior kwakoye wamu CEO no wasanso aso aba befimu. So it will be a very difficult time for those who were expecting radio, those who were actually getting their daily money and omwana womunya mu salary from Radio Good that womu hwe nim say that be can be a Radio Good beba back no sisi a womu CEO no wasanso efrim into no it makes things very 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 complicated. It makes things very complicated, but may so rest in peace. Now let me read the article from let me read the story from article now Bridget Otu will post here no. Now article where I will post here, I don't know this person, but the article is from a website known as parkwesiasare.base. I don't know who Parkwesi Asare is. I stand to be corrected, but I want to believe it's a very credible person, because Nipakwa will post here and the name of the person and the website itself. No, it's quite interesting. It's quite interesting. Now, let me read the article. Let me read the article. I'll say former presidential advisor and general manager of Radio Gold, Kwesi Santi Bafuboni, has reportedly died of coronavirus. So they were specific and they are saying say a coronavirus in Kuno. He adds to the growing list of Ghanaians who have succumbed to the deadly disease this year. Mr. Bafuboni, who is affectionately called Babu, is said to have died today. Mr. Bafuboni was born in 1950 in the Western North region of Ghana. He graduated from the University of Cape Coast in Ghana with a Bachelor of Arts degree, BA Honors Education in History, 1978 and 1979, and a Master of Arts degree in International Affairs from Ohio University, USA, 1981. He was appointed board chairman of the Ghana Air Catering Services from 2006 to 2007. He was the chief executive officer of the Network Broadcasting Company Limited, the operator of Radio Gold 90.5 FM in Accra, Ghana from 1995 to 2008. He was appointed a senior political advisor to the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, from 2009 to 2012. From 2012 to 2016. Oh, I really like the report, our website where they actually giving his biography. I really like it. I say from 2012 to 2016, Mr. Bafuboni served as a presidential staffer and senior advisor on political affairs to the President of the Republic of Ghana. So that is the story coming through. Really, really, really sad. Really, really, really sad. Wow. For our comment box. I'd like to read comments from some other Ghanaians. Let's see what people are saying on his death. Let's see what people are saying on his death, because it's once say coronavirus no. It is killing a lot of people. Indeed, if the report we are reading is anything to go by, coronavirus, no, it is killing a lot of people. But we only talk about it when it kills these, top politicians. The Kremlin and say, yes, politicians, coronavirus, no, Eddie break. And now I said top personalities ever since coronavirus came last year. Obedimi Adams said Eddie break. It's very sad. Yeah, and then the politics, and then yeah. Obi say, oh, how? Obi also say, oh, what happened? So a lot of people are in shock, and they are asking the question, say, I didn't see it. So that's the story we are hearing. That's what we are hearing. Yeah, to say a coronavirus, and a didn't nyasano. Coronavirus in the corner, Mr. You see, Ghana has said, dear, oh dear, Mamma Kokani and Becca say, way back. Please stay safe. Please stay safe. I beg you. See how this coronavirus thing has. You see, yesterday, me share in TV3 for AC Chrome Eco Market Eco Bisan Crawford. Now the level at which Ghanaians still some people believe say ya grow and ya eya na me ya me kra me tie melodies nkofo to me send me audio akatrem say the melodies yare no enye ne kreo vaccine na wo mo pese ye gitum no ntia no mo ahye kasa sisi yare no asanso ababiom so that ye be suru na ye nia yakwa akwaje vaccine no na me say aha aden just say sa na ye ti o Ghana fo sa ento a masa me say me first coronavirus ne buy na asem aye kan say oh, me ni mo bia wenya yare ni ntino ye kan ye se o yare ne kra na nche da nye we sa. This time I can point over 4 people I know personally coronavirus no achi wo mo ato dem. Amu to me personally I can tell you about 4 people I know personally coronavirus ne chi wo mo to dem wo mu to me nya hwe ye mpaebo and as you mo ho to mo kakra. Some of the people cry back me say back some of the MC 2 in Paibosa 2 from positive no sisi no mo check back to negative echi omu to ho esuro by wodampem to me nya hwe. I can tell you personally me na me catch 4 people I know personally achi omo ato empem a wo mu to me nya hu nti me ne de ukokrom na nkrofo me kokrom na nkrofo ka say o yawe na eni ho eya na mesre if you don't know. That 4 people I'm talking about, Myanga Sami auntie, Wakao, a dampem, and Paibo. To me, nye who, to me, Didi, Wayamre, hey, when the situation it's here for. Say, when you be like, you have faith, when the situation, I'll be saying, that be me auntie, dear, or co. A yam Paibo, San, Nyaho Clinic, a Kwanyabasa, a Wayam, Nyaho Clinic, Wayama. Nansenya esanko ye test turning out negative afiansa wo didi abon se we so didi wo ye bibia fine now me anti no but akola ne nkola ya yesi wo mu nko school nkola ya yesi wo mu nko school no ne grandchild na edema no ba akola ne mpo de anche wo ne ho akola no onya aye no just about 2-3 days na akola no yawe ni free ne so koe but better me anti ne so sa akola ne na de sign no inti me kokrom na me se nkrofo ka se coronavirus enye serious na eye vaccine no mo pese ye eya na me sre because me say he entu webusu eni ye me te America say madam fu bi so pa December yi kra no me ne na ne ye chele December yi ye chele twice December ye konifie ne ye rekra anyem ye konifie December enyumre aponchila su bi ye chele fine. The ending of December, you sound so called your down for beef, ye nina, and the chicken and gizzard, any drinks, your chili fine. And that me no can say, Madame for no fear what dampem coronavirus. Or call not. Or call ye juma, or ye juma or not, a conyaba, so call not no vukunya. Onya, ya send ye tea, and your normal coronavirus symptoms, no. You're testing, you're testing for your Arabia and Dr. Nika say sisi akra no what say new coronavirus aban no and show the normal symptoms into no yen the test for coronavirus yen the tester and no need dim no coronavirus and they were dampem and also empire boss aye bonfire say sa sanya ye bonfire me anti no ni we no mu ni omo ho to omo no sa na de come bible so no so ne ho beto no masa iti nkofo obi ti say me me hu nkrofo ye close to me wo mo dampe mu coronavirus na chi omo if you come and tell me say yare no enye real you expect me to believe you. I'll laugh at you because I've seen it masa enya grow ayeti he me obi sa nintri na ye punu no I didn't believe in it until omo wo mo nya yare ni bi katra me say omo ho ton mo ni bi I katra me so occasionally no na no mo ye ene nyama no ama ende me sorry bia na mepunu masa fedi agro but yeah, so don't take this thing as a joke. This coronavirus thing, we shouldn't take it as a joke. We shouldn't take it as a joke. That's it. I'm trying to comment box the moment I say.